Hi there. Recently I have purchased seeds for black turmeric and Hawaiian red turmeric online from Pinner Creek Farms in Hawaii. I just received the seeds and I'm very excited. In this video I want to review the seed quality with you. Right off the bat, the seeds were shipped via FedEx as an overnight delivery and there were no extra charges for shipping. So that's a thumbs up. The owner, Dean, included a handwritten note in the package. So that's another thumbs up. When I opened the package, even before I could see the seeds, I could smell the aroma of fresh turmeric. What a feeling. Each seed looked thoroughly clean and I was surprised by the size of each seed. Here's an example of turmeric which you see in your grocery stores. These are called turmeric fingers. What I received is much larger seed and these are called mother rhizomes, hence the difference in size. Grocery store turmeric is usually treated and the growing nodes are trimmed. So if you plan to grow them, you might have limited success. Let's cut open each one of these. First, the piece from grocery store. Now let's cut open the piece of Hawaiian Red Turmeric from Pinner Creek. The very first thing I notice as I cut open this piece is that surrounding air around it is now starting to fill with an amazing aromatic goodness. Here's the piece of black turmeric. Let's cut this open. Wow, look at this color. I'm simply blown away. Would I recommend Pinner Creek to my friend? I would say so. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.